Welcome everyone. Today we are going to create a pulley in SolidWorks. Select New. Select Part. Make sure the dimensions are in mm. Left-click to select Front Plane. Right-click to sketch. In Line Options, choose Center Line and make a vertical line from origin. This time choose Midpoint Line. Now from origin go right-click here and make a vertical line. Now select Line and make cross-section of pulley like this. Like a alphabet H. Now we have to apply some relations before dimension. Select both these lines and make them equal. Next select these inner 4 lines, add a relation of equal again. Now select these top and bottom line on left side and make them equal. Now select these top and bottom line on right side and make them equal. Next make a center line, this time make it horizontal. Now select these middle lines and now select the center line. Add a symmetric relation. Let's start the dimension now by selecting the Smart Dimension. Choose this line and give a dimension of 15 millimeters. Next click on this line and make the width of pulley 35 millimeters. You can see both these dimensions, 15 millimeters of the inner web and 35 millimeters this outer width. Next we have to assign both these inner dimensions of 20 millimeters and 40 millimeters as shown here. Again click on Smart Dimension, select Inner Line then Center Line, bring down to assign a dimension of 20 millimeters. Repeat the same steps for this line also and make it 40 millimeters. Now we have to assign dimensions to this line, make it 80 millimeters. And make the outer diameter of this pulley 90 millimeters. You can see both these dimensions of 80 millimeters and 90 millimeters here in the sectional view. Now our sketch is fully defined here. So select Feature. Choose Revolved Boss Base. Next define the axis. Select this vertical center line. Click OK. See, our pulley is ready. You can select the Real View graphics for better view. Now let's add this keyway of 6 millimeters by 3 millimeters in pulley. Select this surface of the pulley and right-click and then sketch. We have to draw a rectangle for creating a keyway. Choose Center. Rectangle. Draw a rectangle here. Now select Smart Dimension. Make this 6 millimeters. And this also 6 millimeters. Now select Features. Go to Extrude Cut. Select the condition through all. Select OK. So this is a simple pulley which we create using only the Revolve feature, Extrude Cut, and adding some relation in Sketch. If you have any doubt, please comment. Also don't forget to like our video. Thanks for watching.